Hello foodies and welcome back. Today I'm making fried potato chunks and I will share with you tips and tricks on how to achieve well fried potatoes. To begin, I'll start by peeling off the skin. One thing about frying potatoes, especially when they are cut in the chunky way, is that you can't be so sure if they're properly cooked on the inside because of how thick they are. But I'll share with you the things that you should do when frying and the things that you shouldn't do so that you can get the perfect results that I'll be showing you as this video continues. Another thing is this. This is the type of potato that I love to use for potato chunks. And now I'll cut them into the large, thick sizes that I've been talking about. I'd also be talking about a major ingredient to add to achieve the best result. So, all you need to do is to sit back, relax, and watch this video to the end. After cutting them up, I'll proceed to clean with water and then I'll add 1 teaspoon salt for taste. Now, I'll put my oil on my cooker and I will allow it to become very hot. This is a lot of oil. After it becomes hot, I'll put a lot of potatoes in it. The first thing to never do is to put too many potatoes in too much oil. The oil needs to be reduced. What happens is, when the oil is too much and the potatoes are too much, truly the potatoes will be properly cooked, but getting that crunchy exterior is going to be hard, just as you can see in the video. But wait, let me show you what to do to have the perfect outcome. I'll put my frying pan on my cooker. I'll add some oil, preferably 2 cups of oil, and then I'll proceed to put the potatoes in the hot oil. I'm very careful not to overcrowd my pan. After about 3 minutes of frying on medium heat, I will turn to the other side. And then because I'm not sure if these are properly cooked on the inside, I'll proceed to add 1 tablespoon of water. Yes, you heard that right. 1 tablespoon of water. The water is going to help me cook the potatoes properly on the inside while stopping the oil from getting the potatoes burnt on the outside. Now, this is one way to do this. I'll show you the other way, my most preferred way, so to speak. After I scoop out the properly fried potatoes, now it's time for me to show you the other way, which I would mostly recommend. First things first, the oil is hot. I proceed to put my potatoes in the hot oil. I would not overcrowd the pan with too many. And then immediately I'd add 1 tablespoon of water. Immediately. The reason why I like to add this immediately before the potatoes fry halfway is because it just helps the oil to cook the potatoes properly on the inside before it becomes brown on the outside, unlike the first method that I showed you earlier. So after frying for about 2 minutes on medium heat, I will turn them to the other side and allow it to fry for about 1 to 2 minutes on same medium heat. After that, I will turn them again. I'll turn the potatoes again the third time to the other side, just to ensure that the potato does not stay too long on one side, to avoid that side becoming too brown or getting burnt. After frying for extra 1 minute, it's time to scoop out my potatoes. This is the most preferred way, and this is the simplest and easy way to fry large cut potatoes and ensure that they are properly cooked on the inside while they maintain that attractive golden brown exterior on the outside. And it's very simple. My fried potato chunks is ready to be enjoyed as a snack or to be eaten with beans, pepper sauce. You can name it. This is one of my favorite meals, especially on days when I do not feel like doing a lot of cooking. It is straightforward, it is easy, and it is tasty. And I hope you will try this. This is the end of the video, and I should say this, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and of course subscribe to this channel, because why not? If you like Nigerian food videos, you're in the right place. Okay.